नहीं कर रहे थे। No, nobody is asking about it. There are others asking.
Sir,
One minute first here. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Identify yourself, sir.
I am PV Krishna Rao, Bureau Chief, Hans India.
For?
Hans India. Sir, your double engine Sarkar, you are saying this BPCL refinery soon come into existence here in AP is going to boost economy. Can you give the share of economy development?
No, I'll tell you something. Your question is a very interesting question. But different refineries have different characteristics. For instance, it's a size of the refinery. Then is the refinery only taking crude oil and producing petrol and diesel, or is it also producing petchem? This one I think is designed to produce petchem as well. Now the exact quantification of how much benefit is going to come is very difficult to do, because they are now at this stage where concept, design and all these things. So I think going forward, good, but if I were, let's say, a person who had to make a hazard, I would say the economic benefits would be far greater than what we visualize just now. I gave you, that gentleman was the chief secretary then, I don't know what he was. So he was talking about what the impact of refineries are in areas where they come up in terms of economic employment, in roundabout areas. By the way, this is also true where you set up CBG plants, where you set up biofuel plants. This is normally the activity. And many ancillary services, as my friend tells me. Hanji, aye.
Sir, this is Ram from NTV.
Hanji?
NTV. Ram from NTV.
NTV.
Yes, NTV AP.
Okay, sir.
This is about Pawan Khera's comments.
Who's Pawan Khera?
Pawan Khera from Congress.
Okay.
Yeah, he has commented on Modi, saying that in action, even US President Trump announced reciprocal tariffs on India during the bilateral meeting.
Pawan Khera ko bolo to worry about things like US aid and you know, in the Pawan Khera's party there is a natural conflict taking place between artificial intelligence and natural stupidity. Did you hear what I said? The conflict is in the Congress party is between artificial intelligence and natural stupidity.
And he has also claimed that Modi has not been invited and it has been...
Arey chhode actually.
Sir,
Modi ji is one of the top 2 or 3 leaders in the world who has not only been welcomed, but you saw the body language there. I mean, the Honorable the President of the United States standing behind him, moving there, etc., welcoming him. They are greeting this thing. And look, I have been a practitioner of foreign policy or a student of foreign policy for 50 years. For 50 years. I have never seen a more substantive outcome document after the Modi-Trump discussion than the one I saw now. So Pawan Khera, who is he, by the way? Huh? Part of the natural stupidity gang. Okay.
Sir, ABP News, Vijayawada.
Huh?
Sir, ABP News.
Eh?
ABP News. Sir.
ABP News, okay.
विजय कुमार सर, जो हमारा आंध्र के अंदर है सबसे बड़ा जो है कोस्टल एरिया जो है समुद्र के अंदर तीरगया अंदर, उसके अंदर जो है काकीनाडा जो पोर्ट आपने जो बताया था
जी,
उसके अंदर जो है ONGC का चल रहा था। इसके अलावा भी है आंध्र का जो बाकी एरिया में अंदर कुछ जांच करके और ONGC का कुछ कर सकते हैं। तो
ऐसा है, आपके यहाँ इतने डायनामिक चीफ मिनिस्टर है और बाकी तो सारे आपके इतने डायनामिक है, अभी तो उसको खत्म करने दो यार, नहीं तो पहले ही दिलवा दोगे। एक 90,000 करोड़ के वो नहीं होगा या एब्सोल्युटली
आगे चलकर और भी
मैं आ रहा हूँ यार। लेट मी कंप्लीट। माय गाइस गेट वरीड, दे थिंक दैट आई एम गेटिंग इंटिमिडेटेड बाय योर क्वेश्चन। देखो ऐसा है, अभी इंडिया एनर्जी वीक हुआ। इंडिया एनर्जी वीक में क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे क्रांतिकारी कदम उठाए हैं, हमारा 3.5 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर सेडिमेंट्री बेसिन है, उसमें से हमने 1 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर सेडिमेंट्री बेसिन हमने खोला है जी। दो 9th राउंड था ओपन एकरेज लाइसेंसिंग पॉलिसी का, उसमें 38% जो बिड आए हैं वो इस 1 मिलियन में है। अभी हमने इंडिया एनर्जी वीक के दौरान 10th राउंड को लॉन्च किया है। मैं आपको, मुझे नहीं पता कौन बिड करेगा, पर मुझे थोड़ी जानकारी है। बहुत सारे बिड्स जो आएंगे और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी आप ही की जिस एरिया की बात कर रहे हो आंध्रा कोस्ट